Welcome back to Whitt Acres. Today we're doing an unboxing video. Pup. Clean those eyes up, get your camera ready. You ready to get started, pup? As you might be able to tell, a lot of packages came in today, so I figured I'd just do a long form video instead of multiple short videos. Pup, but I think I need to sit on this side. Thank you, bud. Come over here. No, you're working. Come here. Good. Good boy. Now it is a rain day outside. You ready to work, puppy? Everybody is together, so I'm trying to keep an eye on Mumbles. Alright, let's work from the top. Not the middle. Work from the top. Alright, work from the middle. But we have a lot of packages to open up, and Echopup's not willing to wait. Oh, bud, you just ripped it right through the middle. I already got it. Easy. Don't break it. You're being very aggressive. Alright. It's a light puppy, you can't break it. Jeez. This is a 4-foot aquarium light. This is going to be perfect for the 55-gallon tank that we just set up. Is there a name in the box, pup? Is there a name in this box? Ghost. Let me see. We have paperwork. Not the one I needed, pup. You're being very aggressive. Hold on, we gotta see if there's a name in another box. Alright, you do that, pup. You don't want to open this next big box? You just want to play with that one? Alright, oops, sorry, hitting the tripod there. We're gonna keep going here. We have another big box here. This one's tall. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. Need my knife though. Now don't worry, before we finish up this video, we'll go up to see the animals. You don't want to help with this one? What about this one? You want to help? Oh, I knew it. This is something we needed. Ooh, puppy. This is one piece of the next big project that we're going to be doing here on the homestead. I'm trying to get everything collected up before we start the project so we can actually get it done in a timely manner. But this is a frost-free hydrant, and it's actually going to be going down in the garden, and we're going to have to bury it about 3 feet deep down past my frost line. Now for the big project that we're going to be doing, trying to get water piped down to the garden and up to the barn and over to the food forest, I'm going to have to use 4 of these. I already got a red one we're going to be having up at the barn. This one's green, I'm going to be putting it down in the vegetable garden, and then the other 2 I'm going to be setting up are going to be blue. I don't have those yet. But thank you so much for this. Each piece gets me one step closer to not having to carry buckets up to the barn. Pup, you done working already? We got a lot to do here, bud. Pup. Now both of those products came from Bernadette, and I can't thank you enough. You have been so supportive of the homestead. Now I am going to be starting this big project here soon. I want to try and get it done before spring really sets in with some nice weather. We're going to have to dig ditches all through the fields here, and it's going to be a big mess there for a while. So once the weather starts warming up, I'd really like to have the grass seed and straw in place so all the grass can start growing, greening everything back up. So as soon as I have all the pieces to the puzzle, the project's going to start. You not helping anymore? Get over here. It's not cardboard. It's something. What did we get, Pop? We got some woven gauze sponges. These always come in handy as we have birds to take care of. Don't put holes in it. They're supposed to be sterile. Silly pup. No name on this one, but I already got a message of someone saying they were sending something in. And Sandy sells seashells by the seashore. What's the next one? Now, I already started to open these up because I had some things ordered too, and then a bunch of packages showed up all at once. Is it safe? What is this, pup? ST Pro. Oh, we have a bunch of bandages here. And these are thin ones. These help actually wrap the feet better. Thank you so much. The whole package of them. I shouldn't have ever run out of these. I hope I don't have that much vet work to do, but thank you so much. These are going to last a while. No name yet. We'll start with the little ones here and work our way into the pal. He ain't got his pup. See? Okay. Exactly what I thought. This is a thong. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually going to be holding a flock block or even a ball of cabbage. It can be hung up and then the chickens can peck through at it piece by piece. Thank you so much. This will definitely come in handy with the flock block you sent in. Oh, pup. Alright, you want to help? Come here. Turn around, pup. Get to work. Come here. Come on. There you go. I need help. Get those teeth into this. Rip it. Rip it open, pup. Come on. Bite and tear it. Trecka. Good, pup. There you go. Good paw. That's a good boy. Yeah, there you go. What are you doing? What are you doing? You already got it. Hold on. Let me open. Uh-oh. We got some drawing salve. This is going to be really good for the girl's bumblefoot. I actually just finished up Jumbo at his Epsom salt bath up there. She's drying up, and then I'm going to actually use this on her feet today. So hopefully this actually expedites the process. And this has olive oil in it, beeswax, chickweed, comfrey, plantain, oil of the camphor, wintergreen oil, eucalyptus oil, pine oil, and lavender oil. And a while back I used the chickweed salve to heal up Pinky's beak, and that really helped out. And I know all the other ingredients in here are just going to make it even better. Now let's see if a name's in this bag. Want to help? Good boy. Oh, no name, but we do have some more sterile gauze pads. Pop. No, you can't eat these. They gotta stay clean. You don't need to open this box. Thank you so much. My med bag's always gonna stay full. Now I did start to open this one up, but I wasn't quite sure what I saw. Pop, is it safe? The first thing in here is actually some more vet wrap tape. This is 4 inches wide, so it's good for a lot of other circumstances. And this comes in handy with all the animals, even Echopup. Come bud. No, you're not hurt. And the next thing in here is, believe it or not, some more sterile gauze pads. I really hope I don't have to use all these. These are actually 2 inch by 2 inch, and the other box was 3 inch by 3 inch, so these will definitely come in handy. And to get the vet tape off, sometimes you need some trauma scissors, so they sent those too. Thank you so much. It's more so this box that I'm not quite sure of. Advanced protection for a good night's sleep. Sleep with confidence. Are these diapers? I don't really think I need diapers. Puppy, what do we have here? Is it safe? I'm gonna have to open it up to actually see what this is. These still look like diapers. I don't have any kids, and my parents aren't quite old enough for these yet. But maybe there's some other things these can be used for. Pup. I thank you for the thought, and if you can explain yourself in the comments down below, that would be appreciated. It says for babies, pets, and adults, but I don't think Echopup needs them either. Pup. And I don't really see a good reason to put this on a duck, so let me know what you're thinking down below. Pup, is this one safe? You want to keep working? We're not quite done yet, bud. Oh, we have some papers here. This box is from Crystal. Thank you so much. Oh, we have some more worms for the girls. One of their favorite treats. Pup, not your favorite treat. Oh, but there is something for you, Pup. You have a wolf ball. You want to play with the ball? It's indestructible, puppy. You're not going to be able to break it. You want this ball? Alright, you warm up to it, bud. And there's a gift card in here. Thank you so much, Crystal. You silly flop. So thank you again, Crystal. I'll make sure Sammy, Duckus, and Mumbles get some treats. Only a couple left here, and then we'll go up and see how the animals are doing. They're not doing much in this rain. Oh, we got another flock block. Oh. Thank you so much, Hollyhock, for sending everything in. She said she had trouble with the sender of these flock blocks. That's why 2 ended up coming. But I think the ladies are going to enjoy it, and I'll try and get it in this net and see if they like it that way too. I'm probably going to have to break this so I can split it between the flocks. But these are definitely going to come in handy because the birds aren't going to be out that much foraging right now. We're going to be in the mud season and the snow is just starting to melt. So until the foraging comes back into full swing, these are going to be great. Now there's just one left here and I didn't open this one yet. What'd you do with my knife? Puppy, are you working or not? Turn around. Come here. Oh. There you go. We're still working. You can take a nap later. Yeah. Oh, what is this, puppy? This box is from Crystal as well. Thank you so much. She got me some more V8 energy drinks. And she got the only 2 good flavors they have. Thank you so much. These are definitely going to help keep my energy up for videos. Alright, pup, we got everything open. We got to head up to the barn and check on the birds. Now, I really want to thank all the beautiful people that keep sending things into the channel. It really helps me out a lot. Not only do you guys help take care of all the animals up at the barn, but you also help take care of me, take care of all the animals. So I want to thank you all so much. But let me know what's up with the diapers. Alright, pup, let's go check on the birds. Come on. Come on, pup. Everything out here is starting to melt. We're coming out of the winter and into the mud season. The waterfalls are completely opened up now. Only a little bit of ice left over there. And the pond is completely full right now down here. Oh, the geyser. Great timing. You can see the pond is completely full right now, and that's really helping that giant ice formation around the geyser melt quicker. Gorgeous. So it warmed up over 50 degrees today, and we actually got almost a ½ inch of rain already, so we're getting a lot of the snow to melt, but we still have a lot of snow around here too. My pathway that I've been using this whole time is actually packed down and the ice is a little bit firmer, so it's taking longer to melt. But it's pretty much thawed out where we weren't walking. Hold on, before we head up to the barn, we'll come over and check on the duck pond. Huh, pup, puddles everywhere. And because of all these puddles, I'm not going to be letting the ducks out here for a while. I want to try and keep the grass out here as long as possible. We're going to be in mud season here for a while, so if I let the ducks out, we're going to lose this place pretty quick. And you can still see my exact steps out here. It takes a little bit longer for them to melt. Pup, don't you drop your ball in that water. It's half water, half ice. We can't walk out there now. Now, I'm starting to think the pond might actually be completely full. We'll see, because we're actually supposed to get some more rain here. But you can see over here on this deep side where we have it ramped in next to the island, it's pretty much up to the topsoil layer, and the topsoil layer is just going to absorb water. It's not going to hold it in like the layer of clay below. But we're going to be getting a lot more rain as we come into the end of winter here and into the beginning of spring, so we're going to see how high I can go. I'm going to be doing a barn opening video tomorrow, so I'll get into some of the details and the plans that I have for the new season. But where I was driving with the truck out here, you can see is all ice, and I got to watch because it's pretty slippery. Hey ladies, what's going on, Sammy? How you doing, bud? I've been using Manuka honey and silver on his comb. He definitely got some frostbite. But I do think all the ladies were good. Hey, Pants. I'm going to need to get some more wood chips down, try and get the ladies up out of the mud. But we're going to be in mud season here for a while, so there's not too much I can do. Come on, pup, that rain's picking up. Run, Columbiana. Puppy, don't get in the way of the chickens. Where you going in there? Get out of the rain. How's it going, everybody? Chicken Junior, Chicken Mama, everybody doing good? All wet, huh? You ladies already starting to go up to roost. Good. We got snowballs outside though. What are you doing? Staying up late? The sun is setting later and later. We probably have about a ½ hour of daylight left. Duchess, is that you, girl? You trying to get back inside or you sleeping with the ducks? You're soaking wet, girl. Come here. What's your plan, girl? Trying to get inside with the chickens where it's dry? Come here. Oh, come here. There we go. Up and over. Get inside, girl. How you ducks doing? Mumbles up top? Alright, you don't have to go to bed yet. Calm down. Dabbles over there. You're not cornering that duck, are you? Blink twice if you want to be there. I'm watching you. You ladies playing in the puddles? Good. You don't have to go to bed yet, Mumbles. I gotta get Dabbles in there first. That's gonna be a struggle. Every night with you birds. I'm not ready to have Dabbles sleep with Mumbles. That's just too much time for things to go wrong when I'm not up here to intervene. I got my med bag here. I'm gonna go take care of Jumbo Etta, and then I'm gonna take care of you, Sammy. Hey, Muffins. Hey, Lucy. Little Ro. Come on, pup. What's going on, Bert? Rufio. Ladies going to bed? You too? Love Shack ladies always staying up late. Come on, pup. Turning into all mud out here. Hey, Mumbles, let me get some dry hay down before you come in for bed, girl. Taking up the whole doorway. Oh, we got Ron and his ducks in here already. Good job, boy. Hey, Jumbo. You all dried off? Let me get Dabbles taken care of, and then I'll get to you. All right, pup, it's all good. Hey, ladies. How's it going? Dabbles, you going in, bud? You go ahead in. I'm right behind you. No, you go ahead. I'm right behind you. Go ahead, take a few Jumbos. Gotta get in there. Some people are wondering why Dabbles can't just have a few Jumbos for the night to sit with. And the risk with that is Dabble's actually getting on top of one of the Jumbos trying to mate with them. The Jumbos are big birds, but he's a bigger bird and he can actually hurt their legs or maybe even break them if he's jumping on top of them. So sorry, Dabbles, no sleepovers yet, bud. Alright, that's going to be all for this one. The rain's picking up and I have a few things to take care of before I close up the barn tonight. And I'm going to be doing a barn opening video tomorrow morning and giving updates on what I'm planning for this new season. So if you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below, hit that like button before you leave, and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Good boy.